Hi there, I hope you're well. My name is Samantha Carvalho and I am the Chief Marketing Officer of Practice of the Practice. Last month on our YouTube channel, we took you through some social media hacks, and this month we will be addressing some tech tips. So those technical questions you've had to do with technology that you've never really found a solution for, we are here to help you with them. So today we're going to be looking at Zoom, how to host a meeting and how to join a meeting. With the onset of coronavirus, many of us have been forced onto platforms like Zoom to have meetings with various people. So it's become quite important to know your way around it, and we're going to help with that. So once you've set up your Zoom account, this is more or less what the back end is going to look like. And first and foremost, I'm going to take you through how to host a meeting. So if you go to your account and you click on schedule a meeting, this is where you can set up a meeting with someone. So you'll basically include the title here, the description, the date and time of the meeting, the duration. This time zone will be set to wherever you are located, whether it's a recurring meeting, whether registration is required. This is handy if a few people are going to be attending the meeting, then you can see ahead of time how many people have registered. If it's just one-on-one with someone, then this isn't really necessary. Whether or not the meeting requires a passcode. If you don't want to include a passcode, then you need to select waiting room. This just enables people to join the meeting ahead of time before you've joined. Otherwise, click passcode, but make sure you communicate this to the people ahead of time. You don't need to worry about anything else, and you can simply click save. Once you've clicked save, you can come on over to your meetings tab and you'll see all your upcoming meetings listed here, along with their meeting ID. And if you click in, you'll see all the information you've included, as well as the registration link, which you can then send to people, whoever you want to include in the meeting. So that's how you go about hosting a meeting. If you then want to join a meeting, if it's one of your own meetings, you'll basically just copy this meeting ID and click on the join a meeting button or option in your top right hand corner of the screen. You'd paste in the meeting ID here and click in join. Obviously that must be at the exact time and date that the meeting is scheduled. If it is a Zoom meeting that somebody else has invited you to, you'll more than likely have a link like this that they would have sent you. Or if you've registered to attend a meeting, you would have received a unique access link in an email. So you basically just paste that link into your browser and you'll be prompted to open the Zoom application. So make sure that you've downloaded it ahead of time onto your PC. You can then say open your Zoom application. It will appear at the bottom here and you'll then gain access to the meeting. So this is my personal meeting link. So because I'm not signed into my Zoom account, I need to sign in to access it. But basically that's how you will go about joining a Zoom meeting.